Meda say adeshima ototobonsu atukafu nyame adom ene ya wadensu ya shia Odo Ahomaso Adom TV so your sex doctor your zombogenic evergreen by his grace baby I don't have any challenger cry what try cry copy we set the pace by his grace. And then see about to come up bonus so and my baby maybe not that new free. And for on no or do or jawa drin or jaw STDs. That was so ready no. Now for so come ni paka home. Yeah. Sister yes or by channel. What channel by your one day say come on. Hey Ghana assisty. Oh by man do free. No what's going you say go. Hey. Your independency 60 solid years. So when the 30 years 10 years to come. 10 years to come. Where the 40. When the first life begins at 40. Now be jina yi sense but go so the microphone kumachi sa. E the microphone iri machi sa. Hey brother. Ebe ha dwene kata wo husie. Emre ne beso positions ene mahwie gu ho nyina obaya amada brosa na be me de so obeye na chen me de no but it pays to wait wear your drawers the lioness have spoken and you need to wear your drawers now and then in the studio say easy matume bu afa reverend oba abehye me man kentinka me enuntem na womu besi no ma hata no ma ka no ma bon se bankuno na kakpa kwishto ni bayi ne na bi benga je ke we nyechumi we mono so no emango na twi ono plan mamba no se makoblu anaka wo sin awo sisi echo ona ni chon 2017 abo sisi ho koko suomi ni mi ho ma somo le ya chuye ni kono ma pe ambo to de ka akwele o ma gbe mi ko de ka te o ma pla mi ka fi wa nge no ne nyechumi and the serious now brother Andrew Akoba be ma koko e ani eso ba koko and o de be ma koko chale ye dum kania won so light bia o over to ba bright say come on
natural light.
Viewers, listeners, they love you so much. So say me that's to them, baby. That's it. That's it. Now I'm more romantic. Oh, baby, send you kunye romantic to Jano.
Yeah, some more.
Yeah, some more. Anyway, you know, ahuga. Reverend Awusuwa, aka Ahuga, and then some baby you had a young girl. And Rachel, you know, don't want fair.
And I don't know.
One for the do. Anyone knows so sexy.
Medas.
No, Fatuma. Oh, baby. Oh, baby. Montanas is say, na bibia atedi, no bibiara, and ya J. Odo Ahomaso for the Maswati. Yeah, Domodo. Then you bon come on. Okay, that's Sunday. Last week, a week today, near bon come the nitty gritties in relationship and marriage. And there are some do's and don'ts in relationship, and the same thing applies to marriage. Now, I said, and come on, I de na ye hitty fano. Ye intimi and chrow near my potty. I mean, it was said, men sacrifice it in relationship. And a man sacrificing so in marriage. And they are here. Reverend, don't worry for how many years?
Pacho, 20 years.
20 years of marriage. And to a experience.
21.
21 years of marriage. Yeah, that's it. Eric, once again. You know, every day, you know, by his grace, you know, you will new viewers and new listeners.
Yeah.
And he said, maybe Sabuda. Then let me say Bisawa. For those who are the first time they should know.
6 years.
6 years of marriage is wonderful.
And still counting.
And still counting. Yes. You count to million.
In fact, you're born by say better.
Move better 21.
Yeah, qua kusi.
And you're
not shaking.
I just so.
And you're 62.
I just so.
May I say? Remind. I mean, it's easier said than done. It is easier said than done.
But with God,
all things are possible.
No
May I
shaking.
say? No shaking. Andrew. How many years of marriage?
Me more there. What's that school? Yeah, juniors be who school seniors no. No more juniors be we are very stubborn.
Very stubborn.
Other juniors no balance on way almost a very useful they don't know what we generally perform high school first year to last year.
Yeah.
I'm say when you share be almost one.
Almost 1 year.
Almost one. Strong one.
But that's a strong one.
I'm telling you.
No shaking. No shaking. Chale, unesi si ho. Tin. Big. Get. Big. Omada get. Get big. Omada get. Big. Oh my God! They say one Thursdays, Fridays. Oh, Messi, Odo Ahomaso, Adom TV, and that day. Hey, if you say every day, yeah, it is new.
Yeah.
And two miss one. Now, dear, but sometimes you're lucky, say on Saturdays, no, 12 midnight, 2 a.m., no, you repeat it at the mama. Nyamia Adom, me and your wonderful sponsor, I say, and as your black mosquito coil, and a kum tum kojo to. Fragrance say jabo demono, we because a perfume, and I will use so. Now, I'm yet to say some of the companies here, near cheap no, where a very thick. It will do a 12 solid hours. And this coils beer. Also a bounty from who says yes, there be. When you fancy a bounty so, fancy is no so, or she and or she. Or one the own pace here, what they say, and I do black mosquito coil in ye, a chicken a pie, true one chan, a brochy beer, ubanya be ho. Ne haninti, ne tum, a mouse since ube servicica, no hospital, no malaria. We say malaria, a cum first class, ube young tiger mosquito see, up a yo, and I do mosquito coil, and I do black mosquito coil, and I do insecticide spray. They crew every insect. They also fragrance. And my demo, romantic. The fragrance, a change your double, and my mother na ho, and my najoso, a depa papa. Why, and no pe ensi ho. And what channel? Why, yet fly away, careless, fly away flies. Fly away flies. Now, where's your fumigate? And 2% we be a corner. And one said, about to tum pumani in name. Now, what you curtains, no? Say, Bay took to be a fa baby. Now, Fabian come more than over into my quiet sheshe. And then I say, no, you back on my soul. Men call them ho. Sister, Nanny Giant. And I just black company, you my 4 dear Edamasio, Mamma, you mamma. She said, be at the business. Tipacho modia someone so ba shase na akopa biato na ebeboa pa me mpanifo me sa mama kwa babiom me so ahuga me mpanifo me mama kwa babiom edem boko hey, almost a year of marriage, 21 years of marriage and 6 years of marriage. What come more? 21 plus 1, 22 plus 6.
28.
Bompire. They do 28 years of marriage. Now, me so me the media can one. Hey. My marriage how many years? Oh, 21 him. Oh, homework. Go look. Go look up for it. All right. You see, it's a sacrifice. We need to sacrifice some time. When you never go high, you need no sacrifice for it. In relationship, Andrew, and Prachemo, near my bay and then say a sacrifice.
Okay. You better say.
And I can't say Cromway. And why romantic to do?
Oh,
because I said, and viewers, you shall no more, no more nothing.
It is some more. Okay, you better say.
Okay.
Now, what say? What strong support base was a
Second, it's a
I'm telling you.
It's not so many years. But Saturday, we shot.
Oh, sir.
It's not a fear kuma.
If you come,
I was about me a bars girl. It's me a bars woman. Police transfer, you know.
Okay.
I'm here if you crow so, not go crow so, not go crow so. And my Santa Cruz again.
My Santa Cruz did that. Air Force.
All right.
Efforts.
Ain't a fear kuma.
Yes. Na it didn't say about da ho. Just say wa sheda chikuo bi.
Sir.
Omo nyeja okra o.
Really?
I'm telling you.
Baby, I love you to the max. Meda. But don't worry, shall dross. Why are you so not quick, Simana? Shall dross. So he or she comes.
Hey.
Mwah.
It's as a
Yay.
ima upon checheku mensa.
Ima upon checheku mensa.
Telling you.
Okay.
Go yi.
Ash.
On the screens we are large. Internet. Ibe chawo mo. Na ubisa asembi.
Yeah.
Relationship biya no. Untumi nka say wo hwe wo nko a wo ho. Na wo de achechire relationship no, it will never work. But eno so eni so free ho no. Nyem bi wo ho a ense say ototo na ase. And I say enye say wo sacrifice it. Ebini yourself one kasa.
O sacrifice o say.
Say wo de ho ato ama bibia. Se bibia ifa okwa.
Okay.
Bibia ifa okwa. It makes you look desperate.
Okay.
Now, remember no so no. Once they see say we are desperate no, they begin to lose interest in them.
And what are some of the actions or bar in relationship no or by ye and I move so when I'm and the boyfriend knows okay when you're desperate dodo, what are some of the moves?
You see, some of the time, and you be bia, be man be bia na be ofe. Sometimes the man go to me say, "Ade wa ye," enya fe, enya sere.
Ono be man nim.
Yes, onim.
Say enya fe, enya sere.
But what you say? Eyo farmer.
And your so you fake cry.
Yes. And I say, "Who pay bibi?" And the way no, you want to be in country and say no, you know, enye.
And sometimes emotion and we have certain moves.
Oh yes.
Okay.
Yes. Because we want to have a very fair idea. The kind of woman, be worried na, obey. Okay. In sometimes it should to me tia woman also.
Oh, sir.
Yes. To see say obe kan aje ya. Now you tell doesn't answer.
Adia. We.
Exactly. You know? Yes.
And so so because of love, don't you? I saw better from Sabbath woman.
Or don't you want your free? You know, the first thing is yourself.
Okay.
The second thing is fun. Yes. You see, but like I say, any relationship beyond there was a view our aim.
Good. And the egusuka.
Right. Intino say, Nipano abani intino. They say, what makes you happy? What excites you?
Yeah.
Things that you can do to actually make you say, Minka say, Kone aman for enko to and I say, no moon flatter on the side. Even that one crying, you see, Nipana would dating no.
Yeah.
Unim so now we maybe our remoi. What I say? It is if other people's input in your life, no, is fun. You don't need to sacrifice that one for the other person. The same way, Beman also say, Mummy na Mushiana more threatened way to me at Nano. There are certain things I be a moon to me tolerate against about each other.
Okay. Mesdames, c'est so I am Roy. Now, Osha Odo Ahomaso Adom TV. Thursdays and Fridays. Ghana time 11 p.m. to 1 a.m. Your best story sono. Ubenya education, ubenya information of empowerment, and so yedibema, and then self-discipline. Ubenya all this on Odo Ahomaso. By His grace, 17 good years, we are still counting. I mean, the program is 17 years, and we are still counting. Now my marriage. My marriage is more than 17 years. It's not more than 20 years. So keep your homework here. So I'm like now. All right. Maybe call Minia Baima Eric and Shay. Take water, no so. Tuntuma Huafe. Tuntum Bruni. And now what Damas here discussing things you need not to sacrifice in relationship and then in marriage. And I mean sometimes that things you are not supposed to sacrifice. So we are not saying say don't sacrifice at all. Yeah. There are some sacrificial things you can do, and there are other ones you don't even have to move a step on it. That's what we are discussing on Odo Ahomaso. Andrew, I can't be brave about a man's side. Now, what do me also me? Leaders don't lead your friends to temptation.
Yeah.
So why do you want to try me on those?
Oh well, said yeah, brother Nekai and Andrew Kai no. Well, only pebia dear. Me did asama ya bakwa meta can say be yourself. Be real.
Natural.
Be natural. And people will take you for who you are. So you don't need to pretend. Topic way very broad and very dicey. I'm for don't take critical look at them. Things you don't need to sacrifice in your marriage or relationship, no. I'll say your family, your extended family, oh my papa. Don't compromise their love for your relationship or for your husband or your wife when you know very well say me mommy needs me, me papa needs me. Never aware there I quite say nyonkofa wo. Awade ya nyonkofa.
Yeah.
Se bibisi a hena na wo ko ne nchen. Ede be nti na nka aware gya ye ba obi a pakia na ko ne mame ne papa ho. You can't ignore your family. You can't ignore your mother and your father. They should come first.
Repeat it again because you say it's in the Bible.
Yes. Bible crowd can say the way una no ejani na una aware wasase so. Nti o mama no papa no mo wo no umfa ni die e mo now say me kunu nti me yire nti omo wa hia mu ahokyere mu nti me ngonkobo omo a
yeah
wonkwa na wote so.
Nti Bible no say bedu baby no ye beja o mama e no papa na wonu kunu akoye ho number ako e no nse say wo be neglect o family.
No.
Listen and listen good.
No.
Sabi odofu bi nti no wo bi antie ni mama antie ni papa antie abusua bia na wade ya simple okofa na fofo e na wo de ba ina fo yiwu ama e che na wo dwane akwa abusua no ho wanye like wo kwan so na mama ewu wo papa ewu wo nuanu kwan ni mebi omote abusua pedi so ni ho afa na wo be san wo be no madura ku ho tum ye ntie ni ye
na ekuma
abusua na be sie wo debi
the American idea ba kon so ya man for taking for granted. One will say amamre so ya amamre. In as much as ya wo ya wo Kristo mo no amamre ni say toto na se. Say o say fo obu anani di e ma no papa into kware ana okwa aware mu. Onfa omo ni wachi no na de na okofa obi ebedi wachi a. And ye be kan say so brebre.
Na wo am fa me nko.
Kodu. Na sa asem no ye kan de to aware so a ekuma ukosoro ba from issues beba
kan shen kodu no ho.
Hey,
now why do we say that?
Say ya no mo de kan sa
really
sa o ma me no papa buso me nkuno anyem wo achim wo hwe awo mu nsem ye be bo modin ahwe wa school e bi kura po dia o ma me be di o papa be di o sacrifice o school nti na say edum pepe so a o fo sa o sa so achi o beti wo ma me no papa anim no o se mi kunu me ba me na me mama ya say me mama excuses here bi muta kan na me mama onko school na me ba pa na nimbie you know some funny excuses be
flimsy excuses
funny excuses
me that say yes they would na ne wo journey na won kwan aka a check was tiasifo asasi so and also in say be neglect wo mo na reverend owusu ati hey ahugati hey but we say no sometimes relationship and marriage we have some parents they will force you into a marriage that you don't want about what I say and there are some sacrifices you need not do because our dear no and yet mama na ekwa ko re ma and your papa na ekwa ko re ma sabi nyo so mama na ekwa ko re ma ana wo auntie na ekwa ko re ma but sometimes they will push us into this doesn't mean say say one and asemasi sorry Andrew answer this will you say because I was say udi wuna the wunya nti the ombeke bia no especially on your relationship and marriage say on one palm unti Say on pet side busiana semunti. Say bibintino or semenko.
Okay. So that's what we say never sacrifice your happiness.
Never
Sacrifice your happiness.
Okay.
We need you. Marriage is a lifelong relationship.
Okay.
It is a time more only obi who study obi no bisa for say o da bi nipa we yempe no fufuro. So some do mo pa ni se ni omo pese wo ware no. Forgetting say wo ni nipa na kokotena sa relationship no. So di sad dey chia you may end up being miserable for the rest of your life.
Wow.
And that's how come a lot of marriages, you know. Okay, you're almost all right, almost just say on the cheek, but inward, you know, there's some guy or some woman somewhere. They always long for that person.
Wow.
Yes, and it cuts across in Kalau, in Penifu, Asofu, whatever it is, because almost sacrifice almost happiness. It will see a 4C into. Definitely, why couldn't you at the time I'm more dating? No, I won't say any pain now. Open no. Why couldn't you defend the person?
Okay.
Depending on how you sell the person to your family.
Your family.
You may change your mind on one thing or the other. What I say? It was to do not say, Obebre. Ebanizanga, who say, when you're so glad to be twisting. Yes. Yeah. Because your marriage can either take you to heaven or take you straight to hell.
Marriage?
Yes.
Yeah. Say that again.
Your marriage can take you either to heaven or to hell.
To hell?
Yes.
You don't want?
Yes, you don't want to do that. What I say? Your dreams. So when you pano implantriemo. Maybe I did was so life was a better way. I remember when any particular bino. Also, me share boy. Boy, they say, oh, Saturday we are made them, Miss Medon in Tin and Bejai. Meanwhile, and naturally you were gifted with. School going in what in that a certain path so. Boy, be sure or can't want to chill on
or say you are jai. Never jai.
We jai. Where mobile. The other thing is that your sexual life.
Your what?
Your sexual life.
Hold it there. Last time, hold it there. We'll get back. Just hold it, baby. Reverend.
Yeah, dog.
Sacrifice we need not do. Not the exit do. We need not. Yes. N-O-T. Capital letters. We need not do in our marriages and also in our relationship. A man in my man. You want to sacrifice a pa.
Emma ta sacrifice pa.
Sa.
Because Obaibu wa ofani say ne mami o chim ne wo no. Say ni ani mami beka no. Say wentia na akwaye say wa mu no anani oye man na ohwe no amani bedrum pempen so e waduro no wa mfa bu aman akwaye te say viro muyi wo Adom TV hey. Maame ne yo batamboni a wahye ne bana ma cheso de obeka no eno na wasa kwada ne ye na maame ne mpena semba enam se maame ne ma no afutuboni akora ni disunti afi na opa akora na sem na opeso okoye actress ena director ne peso one ne da ena akora ni suro si da bi because ono obema bia na da wahye ne dross abepem startam into obeka kire ne maame ne say ada ompesa ne da yeso beba mu ana opesa ogu nanimu ase ana entimi papa ne beka se one ne baby a ofa ne homa no no ne na se be ya obeya actress because wadi ka kire crofo se ne ba be ya actress. Look at this. So nti akora ne so do ne maame enti na o so tie de maame ne obeya dan obeka nyanyame na ba mu na odumfo bi be save na enka papa no o breaking the virginity abreko a wayire ne ho achen ne dross sa to that time. So entia na ehu bi ewo emanim se de ne maame ana ne papa ka no wanya wamfa ebuo ama no enti no ompe kra suro bi woni mu enti no ewo so oye de ne maame pe na so me ka kira se wonnim na wa wantimi anhya ho so na wo sisuro ana semanya me mami ana papa be kase ana obepo mi ana bibi ntine meya at the end no results no wan kasa na obebre ebedu na mami no papa ni ho enti e wo se wutimi siginaye se no sadie we me hu se me komu ana me ya emwa me enti emfa ho sa me maami ana me papa ka no eni se me eden me di so sa wo hye na amoa wo a me ni so sa be boa wo di a fine ba wo na wo de wo ho enti wo se amoa wa na wo sa wo ka
se emma no and a sacrifice more in relationship and also in marriage.
A man sacrifice.
But let me go to Brother Eric. Let me ask Eric. What share relationship? Any what yemu? You know, Bani Bema, and I Bema, any oba. One upon and I said it, so sacrificing more. And I didn't hear.
Oh. Adiano, both ways.
Okay.
Both ways. At the end of the day, no, you know, I see a drain your happiness in future. And you say, if it should happen, say, men necessarily sacrifice. Why not? Dia, see a coin, and I said, Dientia, I bear coincide, away I worry the mono. And I said, me making sure, say, me the never better to now, muye. Now I worry to me about so. Say, if on Obana necessary, me warrior. Why shouldn't I sacrifice? I have to. And I say about Obana's side, and so that's a son also sacrifice here. She has to. Me them our relationship and answer our remono. Me pese the situation now way more than we.
Really?
No.
But I say. On kasa nwie be was say metimi twa me ho ekoba sesi ane etra so o program Odo Ahomaso ye ya wada na efie de biara enwumre du ba ko ne ahase donko ne de kwawie your renowned resource persons experience and you discuss the issue ba ka hunu say niema be na ensese ye sacrifice e wo awade mu e na fe empratwe mu twan ye he ya benko ba bia me da se. Yes, indeed, Krobo is shining. Krobo is at 90. We are 90 years, and we're celebrating the month of March, a whole lot of activity. But this Saturday, we're doing a health walk. Wow. Krobo girls. I'm proud to be one of them, man. Charlie, and y'all grow this very Saturday. Meet us at the Dunko Circle. No. In Krobo Circle here, and we're going to do a very health walk. And you're easy, and I'm Papa. Charlie, I'm proud. Krobo is shining, and indeed is shining. But that's it. Welcome back, wonderful viewers. Me penny so you all welcome back.
Thank you. Yeah, that's it.
Andrew. Sakwa what's so wazo? Yeah, you're so cool.
I said, what else then?
Me wo. Hey, I'm a fancy one.
The way.
You're never teach.
I'm so fancy you.
Hey, fancy you. Yeah. Wo. Fancy man.
The way. Are you Marty?
Ahuga. Mama has a yeah, synchronize beautiful here. Gaga me that say. But what you can try.
Pacha me kwa, obo me kwa.
Enti fancy kwa. Eric.
People on so latte.
Latte. And I know. So Sunny and
na me ba mo ho.
O ba me ho. Lo saminya le. Bonga saminya lo.
Oh, yeah.
All right. Welcome back to the show. It is your program Odo Ahomaso, and every Tuesday and Fridays 11 p.m. to 1 a.m. Namikada every Tuesday.
Yeah.
Did I say Tuesday? Look at me.
Every Tuesday.
Every Tuesday. Thursdays and Fridays, 11 p.m. to 1 a.m. This is your show, Relationship, Marriage. And we talk about sex, how to make good love and understand, baby. Be more sexy for your husband. Be more sexy for your wife. Mwah. All right, welcome back. But I said, you may continue. I mean, call me Instagram page. There are a lot of comments here. Let me read and see. Yeah. Okay. Moish. Yeah. Mo. Charlie, your sex position. You see how they run from social media. What checking position?
I want checking rough.
Hey. But that is she's beautiful. Oh.
Telling you.
Naturally beautiful.
Yeah.
Momo. Whoa. Efiasa, you looking mwah, mama. I know you better than me. All right. I am Kinja. Kinja Spy. Cute and sexy, babe. Me da say, baby, me da say, pa. I'd say, okay. And Fred said, Awenye, can you spare me your beautiful pair of trousers? Oh boy, I have more. You see, I have crazy. Tata jeans, I have more crazy ones, man. Charlie, no one wants to grow old, though. You know what I mean? I get more, so I can give you one. Okay, Constance said, wow, Mama, you looking splendid. May that say. Habakkuk 90 says, Mama, wow. I find it easy. My fear, I'm affair, say you looking extremely beautiful tonight. Mama, I am watching you from London. Please, what should be the maximum age to grab between a couple who wants to marry? So I said the age interval. And a person.
Okay.
All right, okay. Yeah, the best. So I think you answered that. Okay, Bell Seed said, Mama, you looking gorgeous tonight. May I say thank you. I see, oh my God, Mom, you look absolutely streaming. Oh, love everything about this look, baby. You know, I'm just in there and I'm swimming. But I say, come and say, Akuma, you look great, baby. Yes, just call me baby. Call me baby. Just call me baby. Kesa, you looking dope, Mama. But I say, Abina says, swag on point. Belinda said, Mama Zimbi. But I say, oh, don't go away. Don't go away. Is it? Kwame says, Mama Zimbi swag. Thanks tonight. You are too much. Mrs. Sir, you're really streaming this evening. This by His grace. So DJ says, Mom, after the show will come for the sneakers. Oh, baby, come. There's more. I mean, for sneakers in there. Maybe no more. There's more. Yes. Pop it in my mouth. Because
no bad pen.
I'm size 38. I'm size. If you are 38, tell me you're 38. I'll give it to you, baby. I'll give it to you. Bright Oscar say, Mama, you look American lady tonight. Or the middle say, huh? Some say states in the air. Oh, Charlie. Masika Kranei, I didn't say. Shabodi, okay? Be disciplined today. Yeah, Charlie. But everybody say I'm looking American.
Hey,
my mind is Ghana. Charlie, my mind is Ghana, you know.
Yes, someone now.
My mind is Ghana.
America in Ghana.
Ghana is 60.
Yeah.
And I'll tell you, 10 years from now, what do you want to be? You have to eat Ghana, drink Ghana, screw Ghana, and do everything. You know what
Ghana
I mean?
rock.
Ghana rock.
Ghana rock.
Ghana rock sex position. Ghana 60 rock sex position.
One time.
Me know the buyer today will do the sex position. So tell daddy today, forgive me. I'm a grown-up man. I need to do the sex position. What's the hygienic man? So Andrew, today, yeah. That's Eric. I have sex position. And Cheme blow after Moesha. Now me do that.
Baby, yeah.
Now me start on your bag.
I'm telling you.
Hey, right. Shut up. Say nice. Like there, right? Me that say. Now let's get on business. Still allow it to me on my Instagram page at Akuma Mazimbi and then bring your comment. Thanks for the compliments you're giving me. But now let's comment on the issue on board. What are the things we need not to sacrifice in relationship and then in marriage? Please, let's talk about it. For my dressing, I salute you. You gave it to me, I received it. Mwah. But now let's contribute on the issue. If I just say,
and the amount for dressing and go.
Yeah.
Hey, appear tools.
In the mix.
In the mix, baby. You got to do in the mix. Your friend said, jingle them out down muscle. Appear to answer there. You do, you know what I mean?
You are kicking.
Appear tools in the mix. The guy, they do beat, so
I'm telling you.
Shine.
Smart guy.
Or shall I say, swat share? Yeah, that's say. When you know, shot. You mean, yeah. No, don't have a challenger in Odo Ahomaso.
No challenger.
I mean, you made the chemo, you think of the chemo. Because I mean, maybe with a walking stick, a crap, may you Odo Ahomaso. It doesn't matter where I am. I can bring her home, you know. All right, so we need not sacrifice certain things. But what about friends? When you marry, people will say because you're married, leave your single friends and go get friends who are married.
No.
Doesn't work that way, actually. I mean, Reverend, doesn't work that way.
Debbie.
Who are you? What age?
No. Me, Me worry. Me say manya 55.
55 years.
November we manya 55.
It's no worry 35.
35 years.
35 years. Now on fuma omo ye 30, now you be 20 crampo, and I will be no more 40.
Sir.
And to worry, and what did you do with your friends?
Oh, me worry, you know. Okay, already once I me na crusade tinenya me soon e wo mi mu enyo moto ne that time no kra na me nyanko Bible school ye me wie ye no e na me worry ye. And so me ni adamfo boni bi a meka se me ni no enye adana me ni mu adamfo den ye hello oh it say na me ko say one sister bi Rose and I just say ono no e madamfo and so me kura me ntimi nkosra no say aba wa kọ ni musician da bi ono me kon ono ba fie nso me nko your boy ye retwe wo so ono pene madamfo ba bi a me we but senka me wa adamfo boni bi a omoa me dia enka no hello me twe me ho afi ne ho because o wadamfo bi na afu sa adamfo bo omo afutupa e o wa ware emu ebia no be me chop money odi ma we so ukobo na mani o e na wote ho enemrem o ja no sense eno no so hu se o so twu ho free no because so moa da ba se wo ma wa futu bone
should we sacrifice our friends?
No. We should the bad ones sacrifice them, but the good ones keep them.
Okay.
Won't mean to feel na fufu nyina ho onipa hia nipa. Everybody needs somebody.
Okay, Auntie, I knew you had a girlfriend before you had your rightful partner.
Yeah.
Are they out of your life?
Oh, entirely. But
Did you I mean,
no, they are out of my life.
Okay.
See, even if I will call or they will call, maybe checking
does it mean that you push them away because you married?
No, I have not pushed them away because I'm married, but the intimacy, the friendship is reduced. Because and obi are jealous. And said they're not not say our relationship no say ye jaya ye ntimi nya sabio. Hello dear bit me aye. Me share wa fine. Osu share me out me share me. And on chire say wo ye me tamfo ana me your tamfo.
Chale asebiesi mami chale Bobby bi na hey esempa what is this crap?
Adai.
Thank you. Nothing serious here. A friend just came from Canada. He just landed and here in the studio. I said, come on, next week I'll come on show. Chale. Yeah. So welcome back, Brakweku, and I love you all so much. So, Sabrichi for Quentin Babiano. They want to come on the show. Yedamaso Papa. All right, somebody here is asking us, sir. You better have questions in the song. But is it Kweku? Is it good to be in relationship with a girl whom you are 7 years older than?
No.
If a man is 7 years older than a lady in their relationship, is it bad?
That is a good idea.
It's normal, right?
Correct age.
Yeah. So Nana Benying, it is good. At least the man should be older than the lady. All right? But wear your drawers. Please. No sex. No intimacy. Wear your drawers. All right. And see, you better to so ne ye bisa ye questions in around. My son is so on rim. And you know, you see, sometimes we have our way of dressing. We either dress good or you dress and not Mrs. But in relationship, do you need to sacrifice your dressing?
Let me just be blunt.
Okay, come on. Fun.
Okay. Do not sacrifice what makes you happy.
Tio, maybe I'm the type who like wearing very long dress. Not the sabi if you get some more style. But I like very long dress and things. The guy comes into that relationship, he say, baby, wear short things. I want to see some part of your hip. And I miss some pet. Do I need to sacrifice the way I dress?
Ekuma.
Yes.
Obia want standards. So who be man? idea how you cannot deal with it. I'm not saying say about be rude. The same way you are talking to other women or other girls, you know. And nipa ya wo say man in share long thing, on share short things, the same way, also or study other people. You don't go in there to seize the person's freedom. Okay? Nipa, it doesn't mean say nipa no omwade. Okay? But you go in there. Who said nipa no? The good sides no outweigh the bad sides, sir. You keep the person if you want to.
So you don't have to sell your freedom when you're married.
It should. No, when you're in a relationship.
Oh, no. When you're in a relationship,
yes.
You don't have to sell your freedom.
You shouldn't.
And when you're married, you have to sell your freedom.
A greater part of it, yes.
Which one?
If you want to be free, don't get married.
Ah.
Don't.
If
Don't
you
try.
what?
If you want to be free, don't get married.
Please explain.
Okay.
Because I'm free. I'm married for so many years.
Okay.
I'm free.
Okay.
So why do you say if you what am I saying?
You see?
Yes.
Mami Kafante.
Kafante.
Ewa. Say one ko na nama. Benyin no ba anade be me ko bia obi am so asem. Ekran na e de na ade no. You don't answer to anybody. But once I agree there and you be better, you should know there the person is responsible for you. You're also responsible for the person. Okay?
So there are certain habits.
Yeah.
But there are some certain disciplines you need to have.
Yeah.
If you know you come home very late when you're married, no.
You can't do that. No.
You stop certain things. So that's the sacrifice you're talking about. Okay.
Privacy be a
Okay.
the person can intrude anytime. Them phones na it doesn't.
So there's no password there.
No.
Even if there is, the other person should know. Yes.
Yeah.
She should pick your call freely.
Yeah.
Freely, anytime.
She can get into your diary anytime.
Anytime.
Get into your bag anytime.
Yeah.
Anytime.
Your wardrobe anytime.
Anytime.
Oh baby.
Anytime.
That
I
is what
see.
the Bible talks about.
And one other thing I can text you, we can also age range near Abadi.
Abadi.
My take is that if you don't mind, it doesn't matter.
Okay.
If you don't mind, it doesn't matter.
So you can be 28 and marry a 58-year-old man. The difference is 30 years. If you don't mind the age.
If you don't mind, it doesn't matter. The thing is, every decision has a consequence.
Okay.
Into what I say, age 28, people wait to 55.
58.
58.
30 years.
What? Woman will be retired. It's highly possible.
Oh, by then.
Retired.
Retired in what sense?
What's your friend? Toilet.
I didn't say when retired.
No, the thing is, now, who health conditions no way before. Yeah.
That's about pension baby now. I'm retired. Say.
The pension baby. Well, spends, at 2 years, maybe 60.
Doctor Ben, I can't say with these 70 years. Swims and your juma.
The possibility is very high.
Sir,
As compared to be with the 28, also will be at 30. Compared to be with almost 60.
Now 28 for now, almost near the pa. One more year, son, or new cigarettes, or some or jumping from one lady to the other, and to a 70 on one and can't strong.
One I got the ancient Andros beer.
I mean, I'm a guy.
Ancient doesn't permission Andros. What shows there or chasing me?
Okay.
Unless you're telling you're saying there, I mean, don't do what I say or do what I do or don't do what I say.
No. I still insist.
Right.
And I say it, I'll say it time and again. So when you're not married, wear your drawers.
Exactly.
But I came back to this, some guys are not listening to us.
Right.
Definitely.
They are not going to wear their drawers, and it's their cup of tea.
Yes, but in a general situation, it would happen.
And even if they are listening, some would not wear their drawers, but they will keep on smoking
Exactly.
and drinking hard liquor, and it's affecting them. They don't know.
Yes. But the thing is, there are other good ones as well.
Yes.
We're looking at the ideal situation.
Yeah.
Okay. What helps? Your age now, who soon of you ban. As your aging, who system or shut down.
Or shut down.
So one, who communication, a sacrifice communication in your relationship.
Explain that.
There are a lot of things that you can know. You are at liberty to know when you are in a relationship.
Okay.
Before you end up saying that, I agree
To
carry your baggage.
Okay. So what are the things your common sense should let you know?
Oh, well, I mean, when being what now?
Yeah.
It's not the Biana. You're looking at the moon, the stars, the sky, and how the earth is round and stuff like that.
Yeah.
You come down to your level. Everybody's never there achieve in life.
Okay.
What can we do? Who spiritual life then?
Okay.
Okay. Things happen so fast there. People don't take critical look at.
They don't even ask those questions.
Now, Frankie's, now Papa, if you don't take time to talk about things that bother you, you'll be surprised in your relationship.
Okay.
Money. Second, sacrifice usika. Besia. On fanya mo bedo ye. Owia awana. It's no guarantee.
Me that say.
You give it out at your
You're
will.
risky.
Yeah.
And you shouldn't expect anything in return from the lady.
So it's charity.
Yes.
And it's a risk you're taking.
So if you can't do it, if you cannot do it, don't do it and expect anything.
Oh, pursue a charity. A Fabio Mazibi Foundation. Never my widow soon.
Ewa.
17th of June, we're going to do our night conference. And yeah, easy. Nyakupo miye kwa kesiye maye. Na a lot of sponsors semra. Umeche ya mu bebre, and tuma bebre, drinks bebre. Near from me
Wonderful.
Yeah.
But 4,000 people, oh, and ever.
Yeah. Oh, but now, this year, I'm sure you're gonna have a lot more results than last. Yes,
Amen.
Yes. It will happen.
Amen.
It will happen.
Amen.
Yeah.
All right. And here goes so the mama yestremo and share me activate phone lines. You know, at the mama na most with me again. And as usual, you activate phone lines. Let's say and you'll be calls and it's me ever through and unti and I'm Instagram page. Oh, tell us things you're not supposed to sacrifice in relationship and things you're not also supposed to sacrifice in marriage. It's important. So we share idea for me to read it out. And then abortions and those, Eric. I'm sacrificing no, me ready. You be do protect it. And so, mudi mo hu wie na nyi sane ba o se yigu.
Okay.
Me ready. Me papa be entua me school fees bio na wa sacrifice it. Wo ma me afrɛ. Hey, Efia. Wa na nyi san ma me ni. Wa sate esu. Wa sacrifice it.
Yeah.
And so on now in any way. Eric, speak.
I know that make us say once when any pan be kwakota wo se won share dross no na wakwa ko bi wo you dross ato na makwa ko di mu ho mu ko di mu ho no munim say zunsanso we bi wo ho wo abrante wo ko school ababa e wo so ko school onim say zunsanso we wo ho no na se wo de uti akwa ko wura mu na se be ma no wo se wo sacrifice odo no na enimguase ankoba na ja daati mu akoware o wie school na obi ja we si ho on waro wa sacrifice wa sacrifice hunu na wan wa won so say wentimi an wo bioma wo de fa he ana okoko ya abortion na wo ye so ade fa he nyankopon be bisa
Emma bebre wu am parents name the cause of their death.
Bebre the causes of their death. Ni nyina yes unnecessary sacrifice. Nti be de sa enema we men so wo relationship mu a onye ready a one oba ne nkonkoda. Simple. Simple. Bible it kasetia. Nti so ye Kristonia. Woni nipa ne ware ya de na yeso ne da. Na wo de na akwakoda na nyinsan asen aba. In fact mistakes ni bi wo no ma ya ye. Nti no ye hu kanea no. Eni se ye ma ye nuanu mu zukoko wuram. Say ma kanea no dead.
A dead. Na a shrine. Reverend Osua. Oh, don't go to the stand. And not donate to the stand say, ye got property beer. Or don't see. Now, so dear media, 2 days for dear. Now, by my dear bibia, no, by the dear bibia. Do we need to sacrifice those two?
I didn't say, or don't trust a war.
That's no problem.
There's no problem. Because Mujim would say, BBNC, but baby, no. Sa ansana mo be yes no na mo mienu mahia adwen amantiasea ya dwuma say okay yakwato plot yemfa me afie usua din to so
yemfa ye can say yatena se yenya ne adwen koro say yenkwankoton plots no ebi kwa na oba no o contribution ka ho anase bia bema no o contribution ka ho bakota de we o say oh kwame brane yenko yemfa ye nyina edin to so na se wo de be dia fa wo de
agin boni nim
eno de se ena make
agin boni nim enso wo achi no ena ma ebi nimu eso fa to na especially widows no
do dia tse pepes wo ho pepes wo ho enti no enya kan tete na pepes ni ho a ani onipa ni wu ya se na busuafo aba ne ye pam oyire ni mo se
se de kan ye pam o me say sacrifice be say a man with me sacrifice all don't contribute here e be so an contribute na say marry enipa ba ko de a but what I say ye ntimi nka say two na e so in case of any eventualities
se wo pa wo be gi atum mpen so feel se wo mpa enyi ntum
we are educating them what is the right thing for us to do
come on the root question that may be saying in this case say didn't worry anyone
didn't worry about
yes. You trusted the person
yeah
you loved the person yes odo bi owo yen sa
odo bi ewu
odo bi ewu
entinye do ni na na ye won say odo bi ewu
enu ti wo oba no wo hwe na ye ntimo ye kan na wo hwe wie ya wo muso do ye nye wuo no na odo ti ko re mu what are you expecting okay but you find say you find a good side no
yeah
what you nipa na edi nipa na property no so in fact media now for the year okay what do the year you know whoever is writing the will no okay who needs nipa no property me na contribute na mo ye and na udi abro bisa say uni wa somebody has to come and determine who can own the property one kasa who think no you could have done this easily. You create problems for the other person. If you say anya dia obi to me trusting the panel to give the property to her, why would you want to say mama fa me di here? Na me nja o man sorry.
So the things that we sacrifice, do we expect something like in return?
In marriage?
In marriage and in relationship. Talk about marriage and he will talk about relationship.
No, when we are married and we are both sacrificing for each other, the outcome result is the happiness.
The happiness.
Yes.
So you all, when you sacrifice in marriage, both of you at the end, you enjoy.
You enjoy.
And you be happy.
And we will be happy.
Okay.
Both you, the man and the woman.
All right.
And in so.
They
will all be happy. Inti akolan brenyin kra na tese eni jeswa no dinyin.
And in marriage, you know, the don'ts are not many like the relationship.
Like the relationship.
Do you agree, Andrew?
I don't agree.
You don't agree?
I don't agree. You can have the same number of don'ts and have the same number of do's.
Both in relationship and in marriage?
Yes.
Wow.
Only be my neti. And I only ba neti. And never be brave or what they cannot tolerate. Naturally. And everyone they can also compromise on.
Yeah.
Okay. Ebiane say, Evan is obi very jealous. Seeing you with another man is a no-no for him. Something as little as that one. Okay. Now, obi also or an interest. Okay. And you want to say, okay, micro interest in I cannot like what he likes. There's no freedom in marriage. Okay. It's your own pen crabber. You need to learn how to get close to him when it's what he's interested in or what she is interested in.
Okay. Adishmaima, I'm sure we are all learning. And brother Kofi, will Cape Coast. No, see, Akuma, but me plasma na be see a bontain, and a yen na show down so just a compound house and a win. Now, indeed, and a new mosquito coil, okay, we can't throw. You're so busy a bontain. Now, in two back, say, and Fahokra, and Tevada, and I do black mosquito coil, my first say, and then insecticide spray, and a fay, fly away, fly, killer. I say, product for part of the back room, baby, I'm pen swedry, maybe Reverend Wakasa, yeah. Now, if you activate for lines, and the mamo, I must watch some margin, but I'll be reading the Instagram comments and so as well. Let us know things we need not sacrifice in relationship and things we need not sacrifice in marriage, or things we need to do sacrifice in marriage and relationship. I need all on my Instagram page, so I'll read them out for you. Never yenyo. What we are not supposed to do. Sana make. Sisi, Reverend.
Doc.
In some year boko. Maybe Sir Andrew, Eric, and or say Oba will sacrifice here. In return, it didn't happen. Happiness, the kids are happy. Now, Andrew said,
Eja Fante.
Eja Fante. Eja fantina no. Nina yeah pepe more. Auntie, I mean when na ho. Keep your eyes on the road. Do you side with this two decisions?
Me imagine say sana me nua be ma e kan no. Se wo sacrifice bibia wo pese entiase anya adwuma one wo pese anije bi emra enti na wa sacrifice se e bia anka wo enye sa na wo pe ba se be ya anije anantiase bi beba enti na wa sacrifice ade no na wo sacrifice se ede emfaso papa bi ede good results ebeba enti na wo sacrifice ye
Sacrifice ni chi ye de.
Sa wagba fodie.
Wa fodie. Okay.
Wagba fodie. So ho. Ebia me pe fufuo pa ne light soup. Me kunu so de ono pe nwurawura pa. So ho tuo ni nwurawura no mo pe pa. Enti ebia wo se enne me kondo tuo. Me so tuo no se enye green leaves na me di anya me do no nso ope de ka kube wa no ho ya na me wi afini dim to ahu enti ba enam ba me pese enti ase anya adwuma no no ani nyinti no meka tuo no ayesa kube wa enkwan na ma no na edi
and you said was we aduane your favorite food
to this aba enti next time no me so meye me fufuo ono nso wanya na dwun so obedi fufuo a me sacrifice ma no enti ono so ebeba bedi fufuo no
ochi
obenum nkwan na chese no ano no enti sacrifice both sides so ahu we ebo afode we so ebo afode but edru ba bi no for afode we bo no ebo na a balance na yeko.
But I say, that is my man. The pepe so every year we jai telephone lines, no. Eddie mamo and our Instagram page in so for comments in bra making camera. That's the say the instead of saying ya kase yiva papa doso. But also with our telephone no. Now our fraying it was 0302211701 0302211702 and our face 0302211703. Amankwa ewa Ahomane so me makwa ba de ba Odo Ahomaso. Hello Amankwa.
Hello mama.
Jesu mo don so. Me da say. Na ufre fi Amankwa.
No so Kumasi.
Kumasi say krom. Me pe na me to kasa mpanifo no bi antehwe. Ti ba cho kasa den kakra. Yeah.
Yeah, the first time I made a program.
First time. Congratulations.
Thank you very much. I'm no problem
Can you see? When were from Obama and what to say? One more.
I'm my bottle father.
As some now found. Back as I think I cross a better the oka.
Many will be at the cow that
I don't worry, no.
No worry.
Okay.
I think yes, she said that way.
Now, who pray war?
Na ko bi eja.
Akwa could do maybe say mama. I have a power, but you see the Messiah come. I'm more interested in guys.
You are more interested in what?
In guys.
In guys.
Oh, gay.
Oh, you're gay.
Me no be answer me be answer but me who can me first mama have me.
And now when you be da, I know being ye will be da. I didn't want you to so. And wait me a 4 bands we didn't manage. Me what?
Me then crowd a crown for 4 years this year.
But I also say any man called that, man called that. Oh, now what if you are?
I'm 28 years.
28 years. Now, oh, enough for we had that discussion on gayism or something.
I'm through Facebook. And now,
Facebook.
Now,
we are there.
Many be that discussion. My dream said I could see Sunny and Manus because a man be baby Mishambo. Imagine say, maybe my dream free Sunny and Manus. but and then the market, the magic could see Sunday man, and could be back. I normally discuss Sunday man, and then you would be mama. And how me, you would be this year.
Me pacho mensu kasa mensu kasa
Me worry. Me
okay.
Mama can no care about consumption.
Me too. We are suffer.
I pray for people to get.
What mama say, Gumi?
Barren people are getting children, and conform consumption in ya.
Okay.
I don't know what to do.
Don't worry. The first step is what you've taken now, by voicing it out. Now, sir, the gospel to now and say, okay, we'll go Facebook when your friends so you can leave Facebook for now and you not die. There are people who need Facebook account. Social media crowd cost on and so no, woman yama ekoye, and tia never Facebook say, and I will sing TDR. And I will cause a discussion in my basono at this table. I want to win steady as a man of God. No, about your social media cry. For social media cry. But I don't catch and there no cry. Say about what Jimu, Nemo Nana, a brandy be encoded from Mudia. And now you bray, the Jilly said, Yankopon, every man if you had Jimu. If you believe and what you're telling us the gospel truth, say about what Jimu discussion I don't for discussing on Facebook, but I'm panya me soon granny. What nada will be in the truth. And I'm for someone I found what they are. Pray, go to your knee and pray to God. You will be okay. Huh? You would be okay. All right? You okay, and today make out what I say. Yes. Call unanim bomb umpire. Sabonifache. Eraduni Semenya and common of your mabo. Mean sissy a brandy be again a shade. Me ko shade them for some ransom, me got to win your shade. Now, I see my Jim. Papa, if you obey you. If indeed, go to your knees, ube so ye be share or say we are born in said day. Ye bona ye to say jebidi kota cranoa. Na ye payable kind of credit shranoa. He is going to make it as white as snow. Me pancho men na Andrew let me pick the course. But men na Andrew Eric we ye men market a cheer Reverend so men na ye be fish no ye de foot so ebema. God bless you, brother. God bless you. Okay. Near Quay. Now, Yamika came o, Odo no fio, she, on Yami no a cano comini, Jenny Bibiocra. Oh, you are no, then you are perfect in your jog by a chair, Dromo, of an English chalk at Jordan.
Every I told me up in
Article Junction.
Yeah.
Wow. Of anyone both way?
Wouldn't only come up, sorry, then market would be many Oblando money, you of the
Andrew.
Andrew, yes. Okay, they were before we can get that ideology from most of our ladies' heads there, the Blemanbier are getting KGO, Upa Warrior, Cock Unani, Gabashin, Unani, okay, or whatever it is, to go to be there, you understand? But the thing is, it's hand go, hand come. Yes. And on top of it, when KG working a kind of book it to me, marriage, it ends the market share there. No, I'm killing, and they don't
have to really help, but
exactly, and I'm happy, and they won't even end respect for the men because they need something for them to take it home.
Yeah.
You understand what I'm saying? Well, it's about. I think it's about time. KG, OP in your marriage. You should give in that person advice like more. Marriage, we have make family. So, you have to let them know after what where she is going there, he or she is going there. It's between the two of you. Not double attachment.
Yeah.
John Maria, you go and meet your husband and you become one flesh. You know what I'm saying? You're okay. I think your education here is very good.
Thank you.
You should emphasize on those kind of how do you call it? Kind of illustration that can have, especially coming and marriage.
Okay.
You know, but by the way, I love your work. You know, I love your work.
Thank you. Thank you. This is the Zimbigenic wear. Ghana at 60 Zimbigenic wear.
Exactly. If you're going to get what they could miss so many.
Oh, Nakai.
Yes.
Oh, Mommy, maybe.
Ocean, we are just opposite, but you don't know. But later we'll get to each other.
Mochumi. Bye-bye. Wow, yeah. Indeed, a great family member. We are just opposite. Because so many, or see me fear, you're opposite. Sure. You see the world, the Lord is good. Anyway, hello.
Hello.
Ah, sweetheart, who didn't maybe have free?
Pastor Mendejuan and Pastor Mukasa Takwa.
Takwa. Hey, Takwa, Mamma, or Fefo. At the same.
Yeah,
that's it, you.
No, Pastor. Me you just December 24th year na worry.
Wow, and there's still our honeymoon.
No, Mama Bacho. Since you worry by no. And your mother do a you can one can't train.
A bit dear.
But or 6 years ago, no, and say on any me ex, and say some or back. One or baby woye, by one can't train me. Ain't you know, your way no, or one and come with you to be frag on a bit reading commosa. A hammy, ain't that could be a yana, me tete me yin number, a bus day, and I get a friend around 11 to a friend and me yin number. We save it, girl, a number, or the bear my dinner, just save a number. And you know, me my friend I'm catching say me panwa friend me I'm going to call and buy and the man chassis.
Okay.
Into my friend in pano me who in pakro.
All right.
No catching I should not dare him. Na me say oh I would dare him.
Correct. But
they hammy. Me friend and say the ex girl. So again now 6 years ago me nya way. And oh, sorry, I know a friend girl, no, they didn't come out. This year, make us a crown, and Jana, Mrs. or again, he didn't come out. Jana, so I chimo down, so that be baby, sir. And think on my friend girl, no, and a girl naba. This year, make us an appeal, and a power, no, and Jana can to me. Na sobana se minye mitia me kome ma misi na minin se na odie sumye fidie ena na kwa ye miti ni tam opon edwuma ba ye na fe na misma ye mitie ye me kwa dre loss nti take time nti no me ba ye no na fe na me ba be ye duane ni bu ofu se wama misika se minye eduane na ma ye nti ne sa minin so sa no ye ne planting ena akote eduane wa bonti no wedi and what fat misika se nkotokom ena okọ bayandra na meti some afrege ono kayen so ne kan de ne kan de no no ge no yesa this year me no kasa no okọ me hu ne where about it so okọ my friend phone so 7 times Papa ba kokra.
Sweetheart.
Injinisa no ne ade no ye ne ha me na miyam kwa nka mpese mi ja aware no ono so oso ayo sofo. Oya sofo
ye ni mu ase.
Osofo oya sofo meko. Oya sofo meko.
Sofo boni.
Papa.
Minyanoma
sister
di akere no pa.
Ke be kra shira ne hande. tie me pa cho December 24th yi na wari ya meboa
Mama cha tumi ya na se ni butumi fua to the sense ni senior sisters ka no kasa rota chro mo
yeah me de ya na ese men ka so bi nya awade o me de me ka mi nsuro se ade asa watchna no pa Friday morning from mama said the wo kan say se sia na no kra de aboni nyina so chro ho kan nyina che ba ofo se odada o wa wo ba 6 years ago musofu mua
counseling e bisa wanka
what me di jawade akra wo betimi di jawade bi nua ba
ompani biem
ma we was that it no
ompanu biem opani yes
onya 4 months po awade onya 4 months jire 24th March yi they were how many months
December
wow
3 months
24th March yi na obenya 3 months and look at his behavior what's your osofo ankasa
and you say tight there then
now what did fear what did fear Ramis what did fear
but I'm what 30 years
osofo what did fear
oh 33
years which year how many months am worry
yes a year fra
just on any trim
that's a year na no do go and I when you so wow you can this
so dross ya won't ya
osofo mu o je property mu beka say me ma mo hwe mo so ye keep your virginity no or when you get odi no o twi ni soroku na we do be see him because you are so baby power
kunya mi ani mu
ase na hwe we na we ube den my osofo yire
ababa ko be sa be mu
na advice am obi a o ye we sure so osofo
o wana sura na sure
we we sure so o osofo
sanu mama
mama bajai
na ehona na wo kwa sorry
mama bajai na ni mi enu nya na kwa sorry
e wo hefa
o sure bi ase
mama bajai
muna munya mu ko asoy o faako
bajai ta kwa ase ni e kwa sorry
enti aso na moko na wo hia no ho
bajai
o sure bi ase ana
ono ma me mutu wo se me ba ba ware osofo miss enti ase mo wo ma me amane
e bajai me ma me de from Mrs. Pennyford na ona
na say mama o papa wa
me papa su me ha se ma papa wa kwenti ona wa iflo ni Ghana ha
na papa wa Italy en fa for mfra papa what are you talking about hey sister o betiti betrati mo o be ya ka tan o tete wo say me koye wuti o dis kana to onu su ni say regular su ko sasa we abeche o be o so akoti nti akako to aduane
nti afa de sika
o so fu yembe ka
sofo boni mu sofo nyame ani mu
egu asofo mi ye pisi kra say
ana na mu gu asofo ani mu asesa gu nyankopon ani mu asofo mu a wo ko cancel kra ye bisa e wanka
na wo te de ye sika na oja to ho e de bo na kokoma no wasan be se sika no egu ni boto de ko
se we delay one no nti we di do abonti to afa sika
enyanto nyantia
osema
hello esiedu we de fa che we jina so se kakra na esiedu fra fi hi
me fra fi Madina
I hope so when you suffer yes or no
na fo papa
hey what fame wife now fame who me
minimum pa
that's wouldn't me now that's wouldn't me pa
minimum
wouldn't me but wouldn't me pa
na me ejuma o imagine advertising
imagine advertising oh hi Mr. Another something what to say
insurance company.
I know, but I know send away. Entino, Odo Ahomaso no yes ade. Unnim but unnim me pa.
You.
What do you do?
Me madam so na me di hu.
Me da say. Me ba talk say yetio.
Your friend saying me wo problem bi na me bisa.
Manemra yetio.
About your friend saying leaking.
Entafrimu.
But I say
Entafrimu.
Entafrimu.
Na wa worry.
Debbie. Oh, but many of my next.
Miss, what were they?
Debbie.
Eja fight is a question.
Anyeshe, bisa o question. Bisa o question.
With the straight about.
I said myself.
Mr. Debbie.
And I'm so worry, but bisa o question no. E be no be a no here sadie no. Enti a question.
Your friend say it's me infecting Anna.
Infection. Interfrimu. Oba free oba sia. E wo say we need kuto na beta free that say. Na so worry to say one worry yeah. Mo hope from ladies to ladies. And that Ochlan Utafre. Ubenya e high say. So aldosis.
Ubenya cancer o
Enti jaita free. Now, what it says is that the vagina is more neater than the mouth that is cleaned 4 times a day. But anybody infection, wunya. What must say? But Mr. Wunya, what do you get afraid? Neja deal so. That's all. Because the man, when you are more done, will be frozen, you are more do. Said they won't protect them when I would didn't raw no. Son, or be so protect no dino, or be so tough, or be as no ya dear. What the was it? What the event short drops? Make now we can use our code also could dinner or cotton and solid. My way.
I don't fight a short drops in a quarter.
But I come my yenisa. Me no be idea na me yenisa.
Me so worry until Jawu no. Now worry. Also for now will be 3 months grandma and a son of 6 months. Hey, 6 years. And all tete no. What the months I want. Ana oba ben hekasa wo dem.
Oh, ayoba.
Oba ben hekasa.
Ayoba na menene no.
Fast phone man. Hello sweetie. Oba him ma men kan hwenchiro. Me bisa asem ba kope. Hello Odo. Hello sweetie.
Hello sweetie.
Oh, what to say?
Fine, thank you.
But I want to say.
But
oh, I ain't worthful.
Oh, still fine.
But you're there.
Yo, what did they say? Say how many years in it?
2 years.
3 years.
Hey. Two.
Me father say 3 years.
2 years.
2 years. Now what do you fear him?
When you're 27 this month.
April ya na abenya 27. Where man say you fear him? Only Beman age, you have to be sad. Eh, what if you are him? What if 38? It's in Kenya now, maybe so say, one planet fear him, only if you are ready. For 2 years. When I rented down, and our team, and now what they work also on new, who call weekend, and now what's it together?
We live together.
You live together. And two mammy him son nete. And now bankers over Barbara. And now what was your madam, sir?
The parto, me mammy, monos, and the family. Me mammy.
Yo. So when you're about 3 years, Samiano, me boom fool. Yes, so be no bitch. Yes, sir, and son or bar, beefy, none be my son down by Kumuno. Now I yell one dear. On one. I didn't hear no worry, and no good to do. Me so when you say baby, you be. Ah? Are you the one?
Hello.
As me say, Babwa, we more boom for. Me say, Sir Obani Bear Matia, no my worry. They will be next riba, and they she know. Now, what's me if you no dim way dear? No more yet, they are 4 years. Also, wow. And ya dainty and on worry wo. I said that way.
Me pacho awa bem and awa bem and I want yeah say there before but in funny there be after me wa.
And what now way?
Me pacho ma me bano 1 year.
And I went to me yeah to about Friday day went to me on your one day amfra.
Me pacho Nina is on hold somehow.
Who has held it? Who has held it? Why? And I did hold the torso.
Why
did he hold the torso?
My family.
Oh, family, sit there. What are they saying? They don't like him anymore?
My family are not to do. My family are to do.
And see, well, sister, when you may bush your name. Minim kura officer. But va a juma me ye nyame adom 17 years. Minim penny for kuda ma yeti hey. Asema me bisa we uma me ko bisa wo sade no. Because me awofo na me ba wo ho. Na wanya sutie no akwa wo a. Me ga so akwa wo nti no. Kwatena be ma no for what purpose? Motivation ebia awo na ma wo. Awo ma wo no nya guarantee say ba first on ware o. You are just the baby mama. Tie me. You are just the baby mama. Etienne, obetimi akware oba foforo. Enye wo no person wa wo. Sister, ejuma be na ye.
Me purchase this year because of I need to know ejuma na be basa, you know. Afi na akwala no or start school no ma start here.
Yeah, ejuma.
Tie. So wo abusua no e wo problem a mom solve it. Now, way, it doesn't take 20 years for a man to go and perform the marriage rites. What akranti mejma basa na wabo and then suato mami new some you know ukas on she condom ko baka so on she won tum free me so odi me ye di obetu efkura na ne ho nso na gu dada na nyin sen number na ba ntokwa kwekwe fa phone ma no
mienu miensa.
Hello fa phone ma brantie no
Pache.
And who was in a person or taffy no bisa say ya taffy was here ye. Sir. Hello, Kwaku. Share. Half an hour kwaku and what dem wa.
But
That bay. Kwaku you man na we.
Oh, me dispatch your insurance company.
It is good. Juma a year. And I only sika bet me I awade.
It's simple.
One is cow, and I won't pardon. Ni suba means in home, but say, oh, I know, or ya were in bois.
But all the and coming out, no man, I'm afraid now.
Mate, Mammy Fabi, no mamma, 0244 26 12 00 0244 26 12 00. For the fact so, let me show na mano. Masa board that money be answer na sorry. In fact, you see, where you was 3 years, 4 years. No more than what they are muscle. No, no, obey me and son. Oh, make us a shamo draw some of say BBO. Saturday, when we go to Kaya, been more for 7 years. And your BBO. Oh, we last week send me tables and I will cry no. Oh, worry as a virgin. And let me say, Uncle BB. Uncle BB. I say they be out say be share dross. Yes. Na me say I know they hear wo.
So I will say am wa unti na wo ka kire no so.
What dey ma mon koi? Mon koni enimu. Na me ya.
Na monyi na munyi.
Say wo parents what problem a. Ma mon force mo ba na ma ko try ne so. Because mo say onyem pa oba anyem. Yentimi nya ne ho ade. But wo a nka mo ma accept no any kukuru e bi.
Simple.
But family be a adwene. Yen your baby now so masturbating one. Me pa cho won so frame me what? Time one crab apa ho. Ti advice sent me ba. Won so frame 0244 2612 00 frame Andrew or Eric or me de o na ma ne ebe ma ho. Adeshima ma me dem ase. Me kasa si ya nye boni so ani hie mu a. Yeti wo po enye boni. Cameraman, soundman, lightman, designer, Obi Biara, producer, director, Prince J, Andrew the Phantom Man, Ahuga, Eric, together we go. Let's say me that say. Yo. Thank you for watching us. Yo.